By two function, we are converting it into single function. G composition f from A to C here. It is given by G composition f of x is equal to G of f of x for all x belongs to A here. Okay. By diagrammatically I will tell you this is function f from A to B. Okay. Function f from A to B and function g from B to C here, and then see the G composition f function from A to C here. Okay, G composition f from A to C. This is our composition of function, converting two or more functions into single function. Okay, now let us solve some example problems on this. First problem is, let function, you can take A to B. Okay, they given in two sets. Okay, the function from A to B means inside A 2, 3, 4, 5 elements is there and 3, 4, 5, 9 elements is there inside B. And the second function G from B to C, that is 3, 4, 5, 9 and 2, 7, 11, 5. Okay, big two functions they given f and g. They given two functions defined as already they given the values. Okay, f of 2 is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to f of 5 is equal to 5, and f of 3, f of 4 is equal to 7, g of 5, g of 9 is equal to 11. We have to find G composition f here. Okay, then G composition f and G composition f of x is what? G of f of x. Right? By using this we will find now G composition f of G composition. In place of x I am putting 2. Then see here G of f of x, right? So G of f of 2. In place of x I am putting 2 here. G of f of 2. Okay, now it is in the form of what? G of y, right? Before that I will write G. The value of f of 2 is what here? 3, right? So G of 3. It is in the form of G of x, right? So G of 3 value is here 7. G of 3 is 7. So G composition f of 2 is equal to 7. Okay. The next G composition f of 3. For that we are writing G of f of 3 here. Then the value of f of 3 is what here? 4 they given. Okay. Then G of 4. In place of f of 3 I am writing the value of f of 3, that is 4. So G of 4. Now you see the value of G of 4. The G of 4 is value 7. Is 7. G composition f of 3 is 7. Okay. The next is G composition f of 4 here. Then G of f of 4. See, G of the value of f of 4 is here. They given 5, right? So G of 5. The value of G of 5 is here 11, right? That is G of f of 4 is 11. The next is G of f of 5. Then G of f of 5. G of f of 5. G of the value of f of 5 is f of 5 is 5 only. So G of 5. Then the value of G of 5 is 11. G composition f of 5 is 11. This is the okay. The next problem. Find G composition f and f composition g. If f from R to R, function from real number to real number, and g from R to R are given by f of x is cos x and g of x is 3x square they given. We have to show that G composition f is not equal to f composition g here. Okay. Then first we'll find G composition f of x. That is what? G of f of x is equal to G of f of x. We know the value of f of x, right? F of x is cos x, right? So in place of f of x I am writing cos x. Now Okay, this is the value of G composition f of x. Then next is f composition G of x. Then f of G of x is equal to f of G of x means the given 3x square. It is in the form of f of x, right? Then f of x means cos x. In place of x we have to write 3x square. So cos 3x square. This is f composition G of x, right? See here, G composition of f of x is not equal to f composition G of x, right? See here, 3 cos square x is not equal to cos 3x square here. Cos 3x square. Therefore, G composition f of x is not equal to f composition G of x. Okay, we have proved. Then next problem. Show that if f from A to B and G from B to C are 1, 1, then G composition of f from A to C is also 1, 1. We have to show that. Okay. Then function we already know that function 1, 1 is f of condition x1 is equal to f of x2. What we have to get then? x1 is equal to x2, right? Here we have taken two functions. So g of x1 is equal to g of x2. We will get x1 is equal to x2, right? Here we have to show that f g composition of f from A to C is also 1, 1 condition. We have to show that. So g composition f of x1 is equal to G composition f of x2. Okay, then G composition f of x in that form is there. So G of f of x1 is equal to G of f of x2. Okay, now see here, since f is 1, 1 here, right? F is 1, 1. F of x1 means what? X1. So G of x1 in place of f of x1 I am putting x1 here. Okay. The same way G of f of x2 means here x2. So G of x2. It is since G is 1, 1 here. Okay. G is 1, 1. G is 1, 1 means G of f of x1 is what? x1. Right. G of x2 means here x2. We have finally proved G composition f of x is also 1. Okay, therefore G composition f of x is 1, 1. Okay, the next problem. Show that if f from A to B and G from B to C are onto here, then G composition f from A to C is also onto. We have to show that. In the previous problem we have showed that the functions are 1, 1. Here we have to show that the two functions are onto. The G composition f from A to C is also onto, right? Then see here, f from A to B function, G from B to C, then and G composition f from A to C, right? Here x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and z belongs to C here. Okay, in onto function the condition is what? F of x is equal to y, the function for f from, and for G of y is equal to z. Okay, now we have to show that G composition f of x is equal to G composition of f of x. Okay, since f is onto here, since f is on, and see here G of f of x means what? F of x means we know that is y. So G of y. Here since G is onto, decomposition f of x is equal to have root the on. Okay, therefore g of f is on. Have root g of f composition x is also on. Okay, next problem. See the next question. Find g composition f and f composition g. If f of x is the given mod x and g of x is mod 5x minus 2. Here we have to find g composition f and f composition g. Okay. First g composition f of x is equal to g of, I will write first what they given. Okay. What they given? F of x. That is what? Mod x. And g of x what they given? 5x minus. Now you write. The first is the g composition f of x is equal to g of f of x. Then g of, in place of f of x, we have to write mod x. Okay, it is in the form of g of x, right? It is in the form of g of x. So this is x, right? In place of x, we have to put here. So g of x value is what? X, and here the value x is mod x minus 2 and 1. Okay, this is the value of g composition f of x. The next is f composition g of x. Then f of g of x, and then f of the value of g of x is mod 5x minus 2. Here mod 5x minus 2. It is in the form of f of x, right? In f of x what they given? Mod x. We have to write mod within that, this is x, right? This is the value of x. So within the mod you have to write one more mod 5x minus 2. This is our f composition g of x. And see here, g composition f of x value is not equal to f composition g of x. See here. So therefore, mod of 5 mod x minus 2 mod is not equal to mod of mod 5x minus 2 not equal. Therefore, g composition f of x is not equal to f composition g of x. Okay, next problem. Show that f composition g and g composition f. Then f of x is 8x cube and g of x is x to the power of 1 by 3 they given. Okay, first we find g composition f composition g of x. That is what? F of g of x. Then f of g of x means x to the power of 1 by 3. Right? Then it is in the form of f of x. So here 8x to the power of 1 by 3. Then you will get whole cube. Right? What you will get then? Then 3 get cancelled. It remains not whole to the power of cube here. Just for x to the power of cube. Okay. Then 3 get cancelled. Then remaining is 8x here. So f composition g of x is 8x. The next g composition f of x is equal to g of f of x. That is equal to g of the value of f of x is 8x cube. It is in the form of g of x, right? So here 8x to the power of 1 by x to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. It is in the form of x, right? It is x whole to the power of 1 by 3. That's it. Then see here, for x value it is whole to the power of 1 by 3. So 8 to the power of 1 by 3, and for x to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 means 3 get cancelled. The remaining is x here. Okay. Can I write 8 as 2 cube? That is what? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 only, right? 2 cube is what happens to the power into 1 by 3 is there, right? So 3 and here x is there. I will write quickly. 2 I will write 2 cube. Okay. Whole to the power of 1 by 3. 2x. Okay, then 3 get cancelled, remaining is 2x. G composition f of x is equal to 2x, and see here for f composition g of x is equal to 8x and g composition f of x is equal to 2x. Okay, next problem. The last one, let f, g and h be functions from R to R. We have to show that f plus g composition h is equal to f composition h plus g composition h. And next one is again f into g composition of h is equal to f composition h into g composition h. One by one we will prove now. First one I will take f plus g composition of h of x is equal to, it is in the form of what? See here, g composition f of x. For that how we are going to write? It is g of f of x. Right? We just write like this. That is f plus g, right? Then of h of x. The next one is f of, multiply the terms, f of h of x plus g of h of x, g of h of x. Then next, see here, it is in the form of g of f of x, right? Then how can I write? G composition f of x can I write? So f composition h of x plus g composition h of x here. So finally we have proved for f plus g of h is equal to what? F of f composition of h plus g composition of h. Okay, the next one we will prove now. What the given? F into g composition h of x. For this how you are going to write? F into g of h of x. Right. Now multiply the terms f into h of x, f into h of x into what? G into h of x, g into h of x. Okay, now you see here, it is in the form of, I told you g of f of x. So how can I write? F composition h of x into g composition h of x. Okay, then finally f into g of composition of h is equal to, we'll write f composition h into g composition h. Okay, finally we have proved both the condition 1 and 2. Okay, in this class we have